90% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, and that is very sad. So if you haven't clicked the subscribe button below, make sure that you do. And for you doing that, I'm gonna give you guys a free gift. I made a brand new forex training that is 100% free. All you have to do is click the link in the description. And as well with that, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And if you have any questions or concerns about trading, shoot me a message. Let's see how I can help you guys out. And without further ado, let's get in this video. I have some big news for you guys. I am going to be creating my last and final forex program. It's going to be out in the next 1 to 2 months. And if you want to stay updated, make sure you follow me on Instagram right now. My link for my Instagram is in the description. Now, in this program, I'm going to go over all my strategies as I trade for US30. I'm really going to break it down and give you guys all the sauce that I've been holding back. I got to give it to you guys though. I got to tell you guys, today was a very nice day in the markets. I'm going to show you guys the trade that I took. It was absolutely flawless, and how you guys can actually replicate the same trades that I'm taking. So today was Tuesday, May 17th. Was pretty bearish in the markets today. I honestly thought that it was going to go up, but it ended up going down. And that's what you guys all need to understand is when you're trading, it's not like you're predicting, oh, the market's going to do this, and I'm going to marry that idea right there. You guys cannot marry any idea in the markets. The way that I have been trading lately is I will trade based on reacting to the market. What is the market telling me? What are the market makers doing? Where are the positions going? Are they going long? Are they going short? And that's where you need to kind of sit back at times and identify like, okay, well, the market's doing this right now. I don't see a clear setup. I don't know for sure what's going to happen, so I'm going to hold back. So what really gave me clear indication that we were going to see a nice sell-off today. This video is sponsored by my program FX University. Go to the link in the description to sign up, or there should be a link on this page. Once you go to join now, you're going to go to get started, and once you do, we're going to give you a code for 15% off. Go right here where it says to add promo code, type in FX1 and click apply. As we had support right here, we have been holding the support that's over here as well. We finally broke through it, then came to retest it. And then once we didn't see a break of that support or that resistance, once we saw the resistance wasn't held and this support was broken right here at the market open at 640, that's when I knew that it was going to be a good short. Now I saw a tap of this psychological level right here of 32,500, and I knew there was most likely going to be a retest because once it broke that psychological level, I was telling myself, do you know what? This candle does look like a nice candle to enter on, but I don't know if it's going to be a good candle to enter on. So I kind of passed on that opportunity, and then I waited for a retest. Now, one tool that you guys should be using is the fibs. The fibs are beautiful how they work. We're just going to go from this high to this low, and we can see that our rejection levels were hit, or our entry levels, and we can see the 0.62 was rejected. Also, what I want you guys to keep into consideration is the moving averages were rejected as well. So I do have my moving averages right here. I have the 20 and the 50. And a big tell sign that the market was going to drop is when we broke this support right here, we can also see that the candle started switching under the moving average. Take note, this is a trade we actually took in the group chat yesterday, my group chat. If you want to join, it's $100 a day. Just add me on Instagram and send me a message that you want to join the group chat for $100. So we can see, look at the candles right here. This is why I love the moving averages, and this is how you guys can overall tell what kind of trend we are in, is when we're looking at the moving averages, if the candles are above the moving averages, we're in an uptrend. Once the candle switched to going down, or once the candle switched from being above the moving averages to under, I knew that we were going to see a nice short opportunity. So that's exactly what we saw. We saw a break of support right here. We saw a break at the psychological level, then a retest. I knew that the market was not going to run. A lot of people were like, guys, it's shooting up. It's about to fly. And the smart people were like, do you know what? This was just a quick, fast move to scare people. And this was also a quick move. So I saw this reversal candle right here. And this is exactly where I entered the trade. I was like, do you know what? I'm going to go short right here. So I entered a short position. I sold. Had my stops right above this wick. And the nice thing about the setup is there's only like 370 pips. And I was like, do you know what? I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to just target this psychological level right here because I didn't know for sure if it was going to break. I honestly didn't use my fibs, and I'm telling you guys, the fibs are magical. They work absolutely flawlessly. So I basically had a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I was like, you know, I'm going to take this short right here. I really have a lot of confidence. We have this long way to the upside. It's hitting our moving averages, and I think that it's just going to reject those moving averages. We have seen a nice downtrend where we have a lower low, so I believe this is our lower high. So I took the trade, and I was like, wait, what? What's going on? Come on, TradingView, what's going on here? All right, let's see if the bar replay will work this time. We'll know what happened there. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, it's not working for some reason, so we're just going to ignore it. So that's the trade that I took right there. I entered on that candle, and boom, within 5 minutes, it smacked my TP. It was just such a perfect trade. And that's what you guys want. You just want to show up and take that one really good trade each day, and you're good. And that's why I tell you guys, limit yourself to not taking so many trades throughout the day. Just learn to just take a couple of trades. Take 1 to 3 trades per week, because that's going to add up. Say you're using a 0.20 lot on US30 on like Hugo's Way, the broker that I use. Say you're using a 0.20 lot and you catch 1,000 pips. That's 2 bands. Imagine you do that 1 time each week, which is very doable. You can do that 1 time a day if you're very smart. But imagine if you show up Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Within Monday or Tuesday, Tuesday's probably going to be the day that you're going to do it. You can literally catch 1,000 pips on a Tuesday, and then you made 2 bands for the week, you're good. And then make 2 bands the next week, 2 bands the next week, 2 bands the next week. And you guys really can do that. If you have like $10,000 in your account, and I know a lot of you are probably like, Colt, I don't have $10,000. Well, guys, open up a credit line. Do you guys not know how to leverage credit? You guys can go on Credit Karma, download the app Credit Karma, apply for a credit card. Oh, I know what happened. I think my account got limited or something. Oh, that's funny. But if you guys go on creditkarma.com, you can open up an account for literally 100% free, and you can see what credit card recommendations you can get approved for. And you can probably get approved for like a credit limit of like a couple $1,000s if your credit is decent. Also, you can apply for an Apple credit card. I didn't have the best credit 2 years ago, and I got approved for a credit line of $6,500, $6,500. So there's a tip right there. But this was the trade that I took right here. Super flawless day. If you missed that setup right there, you had another opportunity for this lower low than a lower high. 2 dojis back to back. Then we have a nice bearish doji, and then boom, just tanks flawlessly. All I got to say is today was a really good day. And stay tuned for the new program that I'm launching soon, guys. It's going to be coming out in the next 1 to 2 months. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to get updates on that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.